Hello everybody, currently I disassembled my old antenna and going to put on top of this mast this antenna, which is in this box. This antenna union based CB for 27 MHz. I have this cable already mounted, and the old antenna I'm planning to put on the different place. That's a really interesting box. Inside the box you can see the antenna with the user manual. I need to assemble the antenna, which is 3 parts of this antenna inside this box. This antenna has Yaesu 239 port on the bottom of the antenna. Rotating these 2 rings you can adjust the antenna. Most of the antennas you should change the length of the top of the antenna. You need to seal all antenna connections between all parts to be sure. Just mounting this antenna on this mast. The height of antenna around 6 meters, maybe a little bit more. I don't remember the length of the mast. Let's check the parameters. The parameters of the antenna, you can see the SWR is pretty good on 27 MHz. The main frequency in my region 27.2. That's okay. Actually, this antenna has the second resonance on 20 MHz. Let's connect this antenna to this transceiver Yaesu FT710. This transceiver can transmit on 27 MHz. Let's make a MARS mode. Before making MARS mode, you need to unscrew these several bolts. After unscrew these bolts, open the cover. To make a MARS mode, you need to solder this P51 and make a reset of the DSP. Just soldering this P51. Let's put the cover back. Don't forget to take out the SD card before resetting. To reset this radio, just need to turn off the radio. Hold these 2 buttons and turn on the radio, holding these 2 buttons. That's all. Let's make a transmission test. 27.25. Test. Audio. All is working good.